Well, in announcing this summit to be held in early August, the Obama administration talked about Africa as one of the most dynamic and fast-growing regions in the world. And I think that it's clear that the Obama administration is going to preference trade and investment during this summit, as was done during President Obama's trip to Africa last summer. And on that agenda, we have the Power Africa initiative. This is the administration's attempt really to kickstart the ability of US companies to support the growth of electricity access, particularly in East Africa at the moment, but probably they want to broaden that out in the future. That enables US companies to go in there, but the administration is also lending a lot of support to the tune of about $7 billion to these efforts. On top of that, we have the renewal of the African Growth and Opportunity Act. This is the initiative which enables tariff-free access to US markets. That's something that has to be renewed this year unless it runs out. There is an issue over whether South Africa continues to be able to enjoy the benefits of that, a rigorous debate going on in Washington about that. On top of that, the administration talks about the democracy and the security agenda going into this summit. So it won't just be about trade, but there are plenty of challenges in Africa on the security front. And also, as the military component of the US government continues to increase its presence in Africa, there's still a question mark about how the administration balances out its immediate security aims with reference to terrorist groups, etc., and its long-term development goals. Those are questions which are bound to be addressed in this summit. But the fact that this summit now has it on the agenda, that this is happening in August, that leaders are coming to Washington, gives plenty of momentum to those in Washington who would like to see the administration do much more in Africa.